hello everyone. This is my second program to how to made a calculator. To this is in this program. I asked from the user that please enter the first number and enter the second number. By that, which operation user want to do, the user can easily put the sign of the operation. Like if the user will operate the addition operation, then he or she will be put plus. Then if subtraction, so put minus. If multiplication, then put into sign, and then if the division, then the divide sign. So this is my program. I'll evaluate this program. That first line is has included IOStream. Again, it is the header file. This is important for all C and C plus program as it is I was says in the first program. So then the main function, that is I include this function like int main. Then I used to declare the variable for first number and second number with the float data type. This float data type will include all the after a decimal point, so that if we use this float, we can easily calculate the value, and if the value will be in decimal point, that will be shown by the this float data type. And then the character, that is choice, that is for this plus minus multiplication division sign purpose. And the string ch for that uh, if the string ch for the at the last, that is if the user want to execute the calculator again, then he or she will be put the y. If not, he or she put the n, then the program will execute it. So I use there used is do while statement. This is the loop statement for the program. In do while statement, the syntax will be like this: do, then the curly braces open, then the operation will be doing here, and at last where the program will be execute, that will be put it into the while function. So in this program, do while loop is will be uses like that. So first I ask from the user to enter the first number. The number will be loaded into the number 1. Then ask the second number, that will be loaded into the number 2. So if the whatever operation the user want to do, that press the sign for that. So if the user want addition, please plus, like that, at least till the division, please press the divided. So in the that will be loaded in the choice. The switch statement, in the switch statement, the syntax will be switch, and then in the bracket, in between bracket, the variable will be there. Then the every for the every operation, there will be one cases. After cases, if we break that program, use the break statement, and at last the choice will be not match with the user input. So it will be defaulted, and the printout will be this, like the invalid choice, please enter the right one. So here I use this switch function. This sign will be loaded into the choice variable. And started let's start it for the switch function. For case addition, I use that addition plus sign. Here the addition, the two number is number 1 plus number 2, that will be executed with this printout statement, that addition of the two number. Then the second case is the subtraction. For the subtraction, I use this minus sign. So the subtraction of the two number is, it will be calculate with the number 1 minus number 2. For the case 3, the case 3 is the multiplication. I use this multiplication as a into sign. Here the multiplication of the two number is number 1 into number 2. So the fourth one is division. I use this divided sign, and it will be executed like this. Division of the two number is number 1 divided by number 2. and at last if the choice will be not matches with match with the user defined choices, then it will be print out like this: invalid choice, please enter the right one. So every switch case, every case I use this break statement for execute the statement. If the addition will be completed, it will be executed with the addition, not it will going with the minus, plus, minus in multiplication and division like that. And at last I ask the user to press Y for using this calculator again. That will be loaded into the ch statement. Then the while loop will be executed if the ch statement is equal to Y. This is the that meaning is, if the user print if the user put Y, so the statement will match with the ch, then the loop will be again continue. If the user put n, then the ch will be not match with the user input, then the loop will be executed and the program will be finished. So this is my program. And now check how it will be work. Then I will run this program, this one. So it will ask the enter the first number. So the if I put the first number like 12, and again it will be asked the second number. If I put the number as 34, if I want to operate the addition operation, then I have to put the plus sign. Then let's see what it will be doing. Yeah, it will be doing the addition of the two number is 46. We all know that 12 and 34 will add together and get the will get the value 46. Now see here. Here it will be so that uh, press Y for the again using the calculator. If I press Y, then it will be again the loop will be continue, and the calculator will be running from first. So enter the first number. Again I put if I put the 11, and the second number if I put the 6, and now I want to do the subtraction operation. So please put the minus sign for that. Now subtraction of the two number is 5. Again it will be asked the if it will be asked to press the Y to using this calculator or no. If I don't want to use this calculator again, I can easily put the n. So by that it will be executed. So n, this one, and this is like the please see that here it will be so the process returns 0, so program is my completed. So this is my program. Thank you for watching this video.